Mistake number 4, Counterspace or lack of thereof. Think about how can you maximize your counter space in your kitchen. If you have an ability to extend the island and have some sitting area on both sides or one side or even 3 sides, please do so. The more space, the better. I guarantee you, you're gonna entertain and you're looking for an open space kitchen to where it opens up to the living room. So there's gonna be a lot of people flow, and these people will gonna have their drinks and they're gonna have their plates and they're gonna be setting stuff, and kids will be doing homework and you prepping the food, and there is a toaster and a coffee section. The more, the better. I never heard about anybody saying that they had enough counter space. So think that through, talk to the interior designer, talk to the general contractor specializing in kitchen renovations, and good luck with your build.